Good morning and welcome to Occam's Razor Gardening, Cooking and Canning, where we do a daily update on the growth of the garden. If you're watching us on YouTube, please give us a like. If you're watching us on Rumble, please give us a follow. Well, we're not really watching the garden grow. I think we're just watching the garden come to its end. Oh yeah, look, even the wind is taking bits of dried out leaf down. But still, look at that. Last couple of days. Big, nice, giant, fresh, elevated zucchini. Because at this point, the only plants that are going to keep growing in the squash box are the zucchinis. So I'm pretty sure all the other squashes are done and just trying to feed their gourds. Yep, it is what it is. Look, but we're still flowering. That's male flower. A lot of male flowers here. And let's have a look in here. Let's tear this thing apart. What have we got in here? Now you closed up without those nasty beetles. Like the one that's in there. Oh, isn't that amazing, eh? As everything dies back, watching the exposure of the squash to feed on through the winter. Now that one is, so that one was there before, right? And maybe the vine just died early and that's why it stopped to grow. But you could tell it's turned and it's ready to eat, although it's a little small, probably not too much in there. If you look at this other one down there, recent, vine is still green, still being fed, but it's almost reached about the size it's going to be. Let's look at this one here. That one should grow a little bigger, but it's already starting to turn color. Huh. Well, I think they're getting the signals from the weather. There's not going to be much growth. Not much growth at all. Oh yes, you see some in there. They didn't get very big. Those ones down there at the end, we'll have a look at those in a sec. Zoom in on those. Those right there, that's about your average size. Well, our compost pile, some morning glory seeds, or maybe some bits of vines made it in there, started to grow. They're just everywhere. That's nice though. It'd be nice if they come back again in the fall and then start covering the fence. For whoever lives here. Well, we had a bit more rain yesterday. We can tell by looking at these boxes, they're pretty dry. Now yesterday you would have seen me have to rescue the sunflower, and I had to rescue it again. And yeah, just did a number. Just hang this up here so it doesn't rot on the ground. Who knows, I might need a pepper. But yes, our sunflower took another beating. Is there a bug there? This big bumblebee taking a nap. Had to come in, had to do a little tire-roo. It's just gotten too big. Too big for the pot. I remember, the same pots I used when I grew the sunflowers first year I put the garden in. Practically at every corner of every box, but I had some growing like this pot right here. Just on top of the corners. Going to seed yet? No? Hurry up, need those seeds. We were gonna look at those gourds right here. Yeah. Well, mine's still a little green. Still feeding it. Those 2 giant zucchinis. Oh, 3 giant zucchinis now. I see another one over there. Can't do anything with those. They'll be out for Halloween. But meanwhile, our other zucchini plants, you can see the older leaves, they're meeting their end. It's the weather, the humidity, and it's this. Now, we harvested another zucchini yesterday. You see those vines, eh? Nice big healthy vines. Oh, look! Sneaky zucchini! Didn't really expect to see any growing up there. Come back for you later. Yeah, we'll come back later. Any more? Any more zucchinis? Yeah, just the same one from yesterday. And of course, the other one that wasn't ready yesterday is ready today. Look at you. I think we're done with the zucchinis in here. Good. Just put this down right here. There you go. Okay. Our beans. Should get another nice haul today. The bush beans, these purple bush beans, they do okay. Once the plants get going. They obviously like the cooler weather because they weren't producing during the warm weather, during the hot weather. The nice brilliantly hot, high 20s, low 30s, humid weather makes it feel like it's 40 kind of weather I love. Well, bush beans don't like that. Our in-ground potatoes. The tops are still alive, so they're still feeding the potatoes. And only a couple more plants there left. It looks like one plant left to dig up in the box, as we've been slowly eating the potatoes out of this box over the last 2.5 weeks. Not much of a haul at all. I got 60 pounds of potatoes out of this box a couple years ago. So I don't think I got more than maybe 10 pounds, 12, 15 at the most. Very disappointing. But so much for that leftover green potatoes from last year experiment. Won't be doing that again. I'll have better potatoes to plant. Our giant kale bush, still kaling away. And all our onions replanted in July. Some of them are starting to get a little big. Yep. Well, let's grab that zucchini and make our way to the front. Let's see how the plants are doing in the front box. We had a bit of a zucchini starting yesterday. And straight to our kale plant. Kale plant. This is not kale. This is lavender. Well, our corner plant continues to be munched on by the critters every single day, a little bit by bit, as they go through their neighborhood buffet. Our corner pumpkin is not will not get bigger. Like we said, started turning orange. That's as big as it's gonna get. Our only pumpkin. That's okay. We'll have a bunch of giant squashes a cart alongside it. Well, I don't know. Is this squash? I don't even think this flower opened. Well, they want to grow, even though all the leaves are dying off. It's a weird squash plant. And Butch is done. Butch has been completely eviscerated. Creatures have attacked the leaves like they always do, which is just fine. Nothing left but a stalk. Our morning glories in the back continue to follow the string. Little string we had set up there. Usually there for winter decorations. Now it's going to have a whole bunch of morning glory vines wrapped around it. Making it stronger. And our other sunflower. That'll be the next one on the menu, unless they've already started. And of course our morning glories. And all its glory, with all its different flowers, including the addition of white flowers this year. And let's go down and have a quick look at the other side. Very nice. Yes. Dying study. Okay, well, if you managed to hang out all the way to the end, I really appreciate it. At this point, there's very little growing going on anymore, because that's how things go. All right. That's it for today's garden. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.